In this video, I'll walk you through and show you how you can make your own Life of a Chef Wojak story. I will teach you how to make a sample scene. Just follow along with me. We'll grab a background, pick a Wojak character, add a voice, and build it step by step together. For this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make these videos using CapCut Mobile. First, we will get a kitchen background since Wojak would be working in there as a chef. You can use Google Images or any royalty-free site to find your background. This is probably the easiest step. After you have your background, the next step is getting Wojak. Now, unfortunately, the website that was used to easily create Wojak characters, Wojak Studio, was shut down a few weeks ago. Before, everyone used that website to create their Wojak characters easily, but now, it's gone. So as a result, you will have no choice but to just create a Wojak character on your own by drawing it. Wait until the end of this video and I'll offer a solution to this problem if you think drawing your characters may be hard and time-consuming for you. Anyways, so, after you have your Wojak character, all you have to do next is add it into the scene on top of the background you found earlier, resize it to fit the scene perfectly, and that's it. Now for the last step. We just need to get the character's voice. This step is 50 times easier than creating a Wojak character. Head to the website tstool.com. Once there, make sure the voice provider is Amazon, then select English as the language. Then click on Voice, next to the pause button, and choose Russell, which speaks Australian English. Then you can type what you want Wojak to say, download the audio file, and add it to your video. And there you have it, a sample scene involving Wojak as a chef. Keep adding more backgrounds, characters and voices to have a full video. Oh, and one more thing. Since Wojak is a chef in this video, we could add red peppers or some other foods that we can use for the video in the scene. Just head to the website, pngwing.com, and search for whatever image you want, and in this case, we would search for certain foods since Wojak is a chef. And that's it. If you followed along, you should have a sample scene with Wojak as a chef. But now with Wojak Studio gone, making characters has become harder than ever. Before, when you used the website, you could make a character in less than 3 minutes, but now, with the website down, you would have no choice but to draw a character yourself using tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, but even then, learning how to use Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop will also take forever. Like, even if you were an expert artist who can draw well, it would still take you hours to draw even a single Wojak character from scratch. That's why I created my Wojak character pack that includes 15 pre-made characters you can download instantly and start using in your videos right away. You can skip hours of designing your characters with my character pack. The link for it is in the description and on my pinned comment. It's only $5.99. You wouldn't even spend this much money for dinner at a restaurant. But maybe you want more than just characters, like you want to learn how to make full Wojak story videos. I'm offering consultations where you can work with me directly. In the consultations, I'll guide you step by step, share everything I know as a Wojak creator, and answer any questions you have. Normally, getting this kind of teaching costs a lot more, but I'm keeping the price low so anyone serious can start creating. So if you want to save hours of work and start producing Wojak stories right away, check out the links below in the description or the pinned comment. Whether it's my character pack or a live consultation, I'll help you get where you want to go. Thank you for watching the video and good luck on creating your Wojak story videos.